name's Allison. I am here at the McShin Foundation. I have struggled with substance abuse issues for about 4 or 5 years, ever since my mother passed away. It has been a rough road in my past, and thankfully I knew someone who knew about McShin and told me I should check them out. So on a whim, I came over here, checked them out, and I enrolled that very day and came the next day. McShin has shown me a complete new way of life. I don't know where I would be without McShin. Actually, I do. I'd probably still be doing the same thing, or I'd be in jail. And you know, the people here at McShin are such good people. They're very willing to help you. They have helped me tremendously. Within the short period of time that I've been here, they have done so much for me and for my family. I know now that, you know, I'm not going to be a horrible person, that I can be a productive member of society, that, you know, as people who struggle with addiction, we can overcome this. I just want everybody to know that if it wasn't for McShin Foundation, a lot of people would be in the same situations that they were prior to coming here. And if, you know, I hadn't out of nowhere heard about McShin, I really don't know where I would be without them. And I'm very thankful to be here. I hope that other people can hear about McShin and come here.